Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So this video is a packing for Puerto Rico vacation. I'm flying tomorrow very early in the morning. It's gonna be a 4-day trip. It's a really quick one, and I'm really excited because I'm from Puerto Rico and I haven't been in Puerto Rico for almost 2 years. Because of COVID. So since COVID I haven't fly, so I'm really excited to see my family and go back to Puerto Rico, even if it's just for 4 days. So I'm really excited because I'm gonna show you everything I have behind. I lay out all my outfits, so I'm gonna be showing you everything I'm gonna pack on my carry-on bag. And let's start. Okay, so the first thing I'm gonna be showing you are my outfits. So this is the first outfit I'm gonna be wearing. So this is actually my outfit for the airport, and you know, just the first day of being in Puerto Rico because I get to Puerto Rico early in the morning. So I have this skirt. It's a long skirt to the ankles with this cut here, and then I'm gonna put it with this men's long sleeve blouse. And also I think I have a dental appointment right when I get there, so it's just perfect for that. And then I'm just gonna style it with some maybe like a necklace or maybe an earring or maybe a hat. But anyways, I'm gonna put it with sneakers. So that's my first outfit I'm gonna bring with me. That's actually not gonna be in the luggage because that's the airport outfit to go there. The second outfit, this is going to the luggage to carry on. So this dress is a red simple dress. It's long, I think like below the knees, with a little bit of cut on this side and spaghetti straps. So this is also, I'm gonna be wearing also with sneakers. And this outfit, I think I'm gonna put it for Saturday because I'm gonna spend the day with my grandpa. Maybe I'm gonna have lunch with him, and then with my cousins I'm gonna have dinner. So it's just a nice outfit for that. And then also this outfit is for the same day I arrived there, which is Friday. But this is for the night because I'm gonna have a girls' night out with my friends over there in Puerto Rico. So this is like a set. This is actually a gift from my sister-in-law. So this is like a skirt. It's like longer this side and then shorter on this side. It's really cute. And then this crop top, which is really nice. So I'm just gonna style it very cute, you know, with jewelry. And then also I'm gonna do sneakers just to be comfortable. And the next outfit, I think I'm gonna do this for Sunday. I'm gonna spend the day with my brothers, my nieces. So I just want to be casual and comfortable. So I'm gonna wear this shorts. It has pockets. So these shorts are like high-waisted and they're not that short. So it's just nice to be comfortable with them. And then I'm gonna put it with this white simple tube crop top, also with sneakers. And then this is the other outfit I'm gonna bring with me. So this is like a skinny white jeans from Big Store. I really love them because they're really soft. And I'm gonna pair it with this top. So this is like a crop top. It's very loose here. Off the shoulder has these things that go around the shoulder, so it's really nice. And then to come back to New York City for the airport for Tuesday, because I come back on Tuesday, I'm gonna wear this biker black shorts, and I'm gonna use it with the same top I'm gonna wear to go to San Juan, Puerto Rico. And I'm just gonna leave it loose, open, so it's gonna look different because with this skirt to go to airport, I'm just gonna do like a knot and put it inside kinda, so it's gonna look different. So that's the outfit. And then we have the swimsuit. So I'm gonna bring this bikini with me, this red triangle bikini. And then I was gonna bring just one because I'm not gonna be there for too long. It's just 4 days, so I really don't care if I wear the same bikini other days. But I'm gonna bring another one just in case if I want to, like, I don't know, create some content and have something different. So I'm gonna bring this one just in case. This is strapless, which is good just in case if I get like a tan, which I usually get really fast. So this is strapless black, and then, you know, simple black bikini. And these are the white sneakers I'm gonna bring with me, and it goes with every single outfit I'm gonna wear, so I'm not gonna bring no other shoes. And then I'm gonna bring this hat with me just for the sun, for the pool, for the beach, for whatever. It looks very cute. And also a baseball cap. I'm just gonna bring this little black bag purse. This is the only one I'm gonna bring with me because I just don't want to bring too much stuff on my carry-on luggage. I just want to travel very light, so this goes with every outfit because it's black and small. And then I'm gonna bring this white skirt. So this is more like to play tennis if I have time. I'm gonna play tennis, so I'm gonna bring this with me because it's here, and I'm just gonna leave it over there in Puerto Rico because I really don't use it here in New York City. And then we have my PJs, so this is what I'm gonna bring with me. I have this white set of PJs, and I'm gonna bring this one too. I was even thinking of bringing just one PJ, but no, I'm gonna bring two just in case, and then I'll just wash them over there. Also, I have my mask here, so I'm gonna bring my black mask. I have another black mask that I have to wash right now that I'm gonna bring with me, and then I'm gonna bring this one just in case, the gray. And then we have the jewelry that I'm gonna bring with me. So I'm gonna bring this gold and silver necklace because it can go with pretty much every outfit I'm gonna bring. Also this bracelet that goes with this gold necklace. And then I'm gonna bring, just in case, this small necklace, which is very small, just in case, and my big gold hoops and small gold hoops, just in case, and these earrings, just in case too. And then I'm gonna bring with me two sunglasses. So I have the white ones, which are more for casual, maybe for the pool or the beach, and these ones are more for dressy. And then I'm gonna bring this clip for the hair. That's pretty much what I'm gonna be traveling with. So those are the outfits, those are the things I'm gonna bring along with me on my carry-on bag. And the other things are like things that you just use every day, like, you know, your toothbrush, my makeup bag, and those things. I'm not gonna travel with anything for styling my hair because that's another thing. I'm gonna be, every time I go to Puerto Rico, I stay at my place in Puerto Rico. I have an apartment over there. I always leave things over there, so every time I go for vacation, I just go to visit, I have things over there, so I don't have to bring too much. I have like things for my hair. I have a blower over there, I have a flat iron, so I really don't have to travel with too much. I even have clothes, shoes, bags over there, so pretty much I'm just gonna travel with the things I really want to wear those days and things that I really need that I don't have there. So I hope you guys enjoyed this packing for Puerto Rico vacation video. I hope you guys like it. I hope you guys enjoy it. I hope it was helpful in some way for you guys, and I'll be seeing you in my next one. Mwah.